I'm using Roo in VSCode, and I have been building this resume website for myself. When I'm building the actual site, it's components, it's coding, so I want to leverage powerful models like Claude Sonnet 4, unless I'm feeling economical on switching to something cheaper. However, a good resume isn't all about sleek design and pretty components, it's also about the actual content. So when I write content, I use other models like GPT-4o or other GPT models to help me write. When I'm using Roo, I have a few options though on how I go about having access to lots of different models. I could sign up to all the different providers, or I could be using a multi-provider router, which is what I do. And I do like being able to track all of my model traffic and all of my spending in a single place. So I use the Tetrate Agent Router Service. So let me quickly show you my setup and how I get that set up with Roo. You go to router.tetrate.ai and you can log in with Google or GitHub, super easy to sign up. And you go ahead and generate your API key. And then because it is OpenAI API compatible, you just choose OpenAI compatible provider in your Roo extension in VS Code, and you pop in your Tetrate Agent Router Service base URL and your API key. Now you can set it up as different providers in Roo code, but it is ultimately the same provider. You just pick different models, which makes it super easy to switch between them. And you can browse the full catalog of models on the site on the Tetrate Agent Router Service site. In the dashboard, you will later be able to see all your usage across all the models as well. And now you are ready to go. Roo together with the Tetrate Agent Router Service means I can access models from multiple providers with a single account and just get one bill and track all of my traffic in one account, all the models, and it just makes Roo even easier to use.